Is it recording? Oh. Hi, everyone. I wanted to apologize to you for yesterday. I know I don't have to, but I'm going to. I tried 3 separate times to go live for members only. It wouldn't work. So I restarted my phone. I tried 3 more times after that. It still wouldn't work. So, sorry, but I just could not go live yesterday. So here we are. We're going to make some dark chocolate brownies, which I've never made. Just your basic brownie is what I usually make. So dark chocolate today. And hang on, because I found something. I actually found no sugar added cherries. Ta-da! So we're going to put this cherry pie filling in between the brownies, and dark chocolate cherry nummy goodness is going to happen in the kitchen today. So, thanks for joining us, everybody. You know, I look forward to Fridays. I do, because that's my time where I can relax and cook and talk to you guys and just have fun. And couldn't do that. So, didn't go so well yesterday. It is what it is. Now, this oven needs to be... What do we need? Yeah, we need butter too, because we're not putting vegetable oil. 2/3 of a cup. So we need, how hot? 350. Okay, 350.
I'm gonna do, use the butter.
The butter?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh crap.
Stuffing things.
You're stuffing things in the oven. Hang on. Okay. I don't know how many of you actually store stuff in your oven, but we do.
I need tablespoons
I don't know. I don't know.
Google.
You'll have to go figure that out. I really don't know. How much? Yeah, I have no clue. No eggshell, good deal. And no eggshell. Yay! Yay! Okay. We also need 3 tablespoons of water. So I'm going to put some water in this little thing right here. Let's see. See if I can do this without spilling it. So we got 1. That's a mess. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna try very hard not to make a mess. Yeah. 1. Whoops. That's 2. Yeah, that's enough. So yeah, so that was 3. Did you see that? She'll be right back for the butter in a minute. That was fun. I already made coleslaw today too. Didn't think you guys wanted to watch me make coleslaw. Yeah, a lot of people make coleslaw. So, yeah, no big deal. But I thought this would be something new and different.
154 grams of butter.
We don't do grams.
I do grams.
Well, I don't.
That's how I've begun to use grams. Also because I'm in chemistry. And all we do is grams.
Okay.
Because metric system is easier.
Well, I want the butter to be soft, but I don't want it to be melted. Okay.
That's why I'm doing grams.
Because if it's melted and hot, it'll cook the eggs in there.
It's grams. And all I have to do is wait.
Fine. Here's a knife. Pull both sides out equally. That's how you don't rip it. Because I'm usually the one that opens up the new butter. I'm gonna get the can opener and open the cherries. I've never had no sugar pie filling. I can't wait. Yeah, I've never tasted it. I can't wait. Oh, you have?
Yeah.
I haven't. I can't wait to try it, see what it tastes like. Because I'm going to open up the can and put a spoon right in it.
There we go. Alright, so like 30 seconds for the. Just so it's soft.
Yeah, but check it at 15, okay? Alright. Just spoon.
Also, for future reference,
Yeah.
1 cup is 16 tablespoons.
Okay. Here comes Pumpkin. More than that. Here comes Pumpkin because he heard the can opener and he thinks it's tuna, but it's cherries. It's cherries. He's like, whoa, that's food, but that's not my kind of
He
food.
shook his face. He did not like that at all. Okay. There's butter.
That's fine. Alright, I'm gonna try one cherry. See how this tastes. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. Well, hallelujah. They finally made something I can eat. Jeez. Not too hot, right? That's soft enough. Okay, I'm gonna start stirring. You pour it in because there's not enough. It's okay. Just pour. Hang on. Okay. Nice. Cool. Okay. So, what pan should we make this in? Oh, those are good. Nice dark chocolate. Wow. Right on.
We didn't stir.
No. You have to clean it all out. We don't like that other pan because it's too thick.
Yeah.
It doesn't. So what about the glass one? We'll just get the big one and we'll put not much on the bottom. Now I think we have to grease the pan. Hang on. Yes, grease the bottom of the pan. It definitely needs to be greased. Whoops. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, looks good. Would you bring it over here so we can see? There we go. Okay. Now let's put about half. And I think you can use a knife or a spoon. There's a spoon. Maybe just spread it out.
She's in the sink.
I'll also use it to get this out. Okay.
That just doesn't kick back. It's really nice.
Yeah, it does look like cake batter. Looks good.
Thick. It spreads nicely too.
It does spread nice. That's good.
I think butter might be superior.
I think so too. I don't like using the oil, the vegetable oil in my foods anymore.
You know, it's scientifically proven that butter is better for like eggs on the bottom of the pan.
Yeah?
Because of the way lipid bilayer work.
Oh. Okay.
Stickless.
Makes sense to me.
Chemistry. It's fun.
Okay, so we've got that.
Cherries.
And now we're going to take the cherries. This ought to be good. I hope. I've never put stuff in the middle of brownies.
No.
No, I never have. Never have tried that. So I hope this is going to be really good. I think it will. I don't see why not. Chocolate cherry always looks good, yeah. I'll fill in some spaces in a moment. I just want to make sure we got enough to cover. This looks good. They're
Maybe it's because they're covered in something that's glossy.
probably. This is actually the nicest size I've ever seen cherries look. And look at all that jelly in there too. That's good. Yeah. Oh, there's no more. But you can try this. Here. It's good. It's really good. And it is not overly sugary. And to me, it just tastes amazing. Now, this is the only flavor I found that was sugar-free. Only cherry. It's the first time I've seen it. Someone else has been telling me that they make a lot of sugar-free stuff, pie fillings, but I've never. This is the first one I've found.
I've seen blueberry.
Have you seen blueberry?
Yeah.
So maybe it's at a different store. Probably. Okay. Can you hold the spatula, please, while I scoop some more of this out? I don't know how this is gonna spread, but I'm gonna try to cover up some of the cherries anyway. Carefully, very carefully. Get a big spoon like this and try and spread it over. There we go. We can spread it better. Yeah, I know we can.
Okay, I'm gonna cut them through.
Well, they'll be kind of covered.
Spread.
It's all right. I'm working on
I
it.
know. No, it looks fine.
I'm working on it. And the cherries will bake down into it too. So I think they'll be good. Yeah.
Look at it.
Huh?
Look at it.
Yep. Looks amazing.
There's little
to
butter
me.
spots, but those will bake out.
That's okay.
Yeah, that's fine. So, meow.
Hey, we're back. And yeah, the brownies are done. They look absolutely amazing. And I'm gonna cut just a little teeny tiny because I'd like some more later. So I'm just gonna cut a little piece. And hang on, let me get a little plate and a spoon, I think. And just scoop that right out. Yep, so it's a bite, basically. Oh, it's still steaming. Wow, it's still steaming. Okay, hang on. Woo! Need to let it cool off a tiny little bit. Goodness, that looks really good. I'm really impressed. I don't normally put stuff in stuff.
Yeah.
Last year, when we were making stuff, we got fancy with the cream cheese and the pumpkin and all that, but this is the first time I've ever done this.
Good.
It's just a cherry and it's hot. So hang on. Hang on. Yep. Yep. That's good. Oh, that's good. Thank you, everyone, for being here. I'm just glad I was able to put something out for you. They taste really good. And I'll put the recipe in the description, but it's really not that difficult. I'm pretty sure all you guys can figure this out too. So thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting. And I'll see you guys on Monday. Take care.